Welcome to Tahona Baja. This is a very cool place. We're driving up to a vineyard called Cuarto Cuartos, 4-4. And this vineyard is just a half an hour from our previous stop in Ensenada. This is entering the Valle de Guadalupe, and we're driving into the vineyard now. This place has an RV park, a hotel, a mountaintop restaurant, great tasting room. But we're not here for the wine. We're actually coming here for the cocktails. Tahona Baja, which is a restaurant in San Diego, is also located here as well. And Tahona Baja is known as an amazing cocktail bar, and they are the leaders in Mezcal. They have two, well, we'll check it out in just a moment when we get to that point. But here we're driving past the tasting room in the main vineyard up through the road. And this is just an amazing place. Cuarto Cuartos has built this up to, this is an amazing destination here. But the addition of Tahona Baja has really completed this. There we are being greeted by security, and they're telling us where to park. That bus coming down the mountain there is coming from the top of the mountain for the restaurant, which you can catch the sunset way up top there. Beautiful. Now we're walking to Tahona Baja. These are two 80-year-old shrimping boats that they've brought inland, and guess what's inside of there? A boatload of mezcal, literally a boatload. Up on the top there, they've built two great tasting bars. If you saw our last video on our last trip, we're with Barbara, and she walks us around up there and gives us some taste of mezcal, a flight. It was amazing. But here we are for the cocktails today. We are all about the cocktails today. We're heading over to the restaurant there. The food here is amazing, by the way, as well, but we're just here to get a cocktail because remember, we just ate a ton of lobster at Villa Ortega's. So let's jump on in and order some cocktails and check it out.
A little bit of extra. We make a hot straight.
You guys call a lemon?
This is a lemon, limon, yeah.
Oh, limon.
The green and the yellow are limon too.
Yeah, okay, really?
Yeah.
How do you know when you're asking for one? How do you know which one they wanted?
Right. Because this one is called
That's limon,
limon
right?
persa,
Okay.
limon amarillo, limon mexicano.
Gotcha.
Different name they have it.
Sometimes when these get really expensive, we color those ones green.
The yellow ones?
Yeah. Because they grow these in Mexico.
Exactly.
And sometimes they get really expensive.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And they're more acidic actually.
Oh, that looks awesome.
The yellow one is like, it's like sweeter than the
What is
green
that
one.
right
So
there?
this is chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll?
Yes.
Oh my
Make
god,
a
I'm
little
gonna be
bit
so
of
healthy.
fresh starch on the top. Make a little bit hard in there.
Nice, gracias.
There you go. Desert cooler for you, man.
Desert cooler.
Enjoy.
Perfect.
The extra smoke has to do it. Because we usually make the cocktails with this.
what is it?
It's a cucumber shrub.
What is it called?
It's a shrub.
Oh, shrub. Okay, so vinegar
And then cucumber shrub, sugar, chlorophyll, some white vinegar. That's
Yeah.
it. You're gonna see for like.
I don't think I know, but I
Taste
know.
it.
What's this one?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
this is
cucumber.
a- So it's just cucumber shrub.
Yeah.
It's white vinegar.
White vinegar.
White vinegar.
Yeah, it's an extract.
With the
We
two
have
and cucumber.
cantaloupe. Have a cantaloupe syrup too. That has some apple vinegar. We make the watermelon syrup, but it has
Watermelon.
some
Okay, I
red
want to make a pineapple one now.
red wine vinegar in it.
What's he
Red
making
wine.
over there? What's he making over there?
He's making the
cleaning.
best part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
That's good.
One day Jose didn't show up to the restaurant. We were screwed.
Yeah.
We were like, where are our
What'd
clean
you get,
dishes?
Marcus?
Paloma.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Did you go to the menu or you just told them what you wanted?
I told him what I wanted.
Let him make you something, baby.
Look at that, Jay.
I'm going to taste Marcus's first.
Gracias. I'm gonna put a little bit of grapefruit tincture. Yeah, we just let the peel sit on vodka
Marcus,
for
do
a
you want
little
a
bit.
star or no? Straw?
No.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of salt on the top.
Marcus, that's cool.
Let's go.
Is big?
No,
Little
fancy.
little Costco sea salt right there.
From the Himalayas.
From the Himalayas.
There you go.
I want to taste it because I want to see that one of those.
No, you got to get something different.
Now I have.
Dang, come
Some
on.
salt with
Gordon.
some beef.
These guys are cocktail smiths.
Go for it, Shannon.
Come on.
There's salt with beet and the leaves.
Go for it, Shannon. Take a sip.
Jesus,
Well, let
lick
me
the
get-
glass like that.
You like that, huh?
Dirty perro. That's all the Spanish I know right there.
That's
Yeah,
good.
exactly.
Yeah,
It's a start.
That's really good. Now your turn.
Working here.
Yeah.
When I started working here, I told a story about another job I used to have, where some random guy came up to me and he was like, "Hey, Padre Santo, like Holy Father, hey, Holy Father, what's up?" And I was like, "Whoa, what's this, Padre
You said
Santo?"
Holy Father?
But in Spanish, Padre Santo, it's a different whole meaning, but
Yeah.
from Holy Father, right?
Right.
But he called me Padre Santo, and I was like, "Whoa, the first person to call me like that." And now
That's your nickname now?
that's my nickname. And the first cocktail I learned to make, it was a Campo Santo.
Oh, Campo Santo.
Campo Santo right here.
Nice.
1 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of triple sec, 3/4 of cocoa fluff, that's
Ooh.
water and coconut cream,
I like it.
some passion fruit syrup.
Grapefruit with coconut and passion. I was on a diet until he put the coconut puff in there. I was like, grapefruit? I'm getting the fat guy drink. Go ahead, slim me down. You know the grapefruit diet. You know?
How's that? You liked it? Great.
That looks good.
A little bit of. This is a tiki, so it has to be like a lot of ice, like slushy,
Slushy?
like a slushy.
You love
Yeah.
ice?
Well,
Here comes the funny, the
Yeah.
fun part.
A little mint?
Yeah.
We make a little
best part is
a little cleansing for the drink.
It looks good.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Spank.
Get it?
and you say Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo santificado. It's like a little speck.
Have you ever seen, so in Hawaii they do a Hawaiian ice So it's the shaved ice. They take a lot of ice and they shave it, right? And they make a big ball out of it, and then they pour the fruit.